Hi friends, in this video let us solve a Fourier transformative question asked in GATE EC 2002 paper. The question is, the Fourier transform of f of e power minus f, e power minus f u of t is equal to 1 by, e power minus t. So it is Fourier transform of e power minus t u of t is given by 1 by 1 plus j by 2 pi f. What is the Fourier transform of 1 by 1 plus j 2 pi t? That's what they are asking, right? Okay, so you see there is a relationship between this one. This is x of t, this is x of f. Here you see 1 plus j 2 pi f is becoming 1 plus j 2 pi t. That means it is becoming x of t, right? So what it will become? So it will become, we know as per derivative property, if x of t is x of f, x of capital X of t will become x of minus f. That is what derivative property of Fourier transform. So what is derivative property? Derivative property is if x of t is x of f, then capital X of t becomes x of minus f. That means what? You see, if f becomes t, then t becomes minus f. Right? So similarly, you see here f becomes t, then t becomes minus f. Wherever you are having t, you put minus f. So it is e power f, e of minus f, simple. So e power f, e of minus f. E power f, e of minus f, answer C is the right answer. Thank you.